Hi everybody and welcome to AiDIY. I'm your host Matt. Check out my website at aidiy.tech. Today I'm going to do 5 artists that do AI music that you should pay attention to right now. Okay, welcome back everybody. I just want to do the quick spiel about go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. I'm going to be building a community around AI and AI artists. Also check out this charity that I support, loveheart.org or Love Heart Travel, which actually supports the John Fawcett Foundation. Now go to my website, there's information about it there. You can either donate through my website or if you prefer, just go ahead and donate directly through the John Fawcett Foundation. It's a really cool charity, so check it out. Now, before I get to the list of the 5 AI artists that I think you should pay attention to right now, I'm just going to do a quick thing about how difficult it is on YouTube to find specifically, without a doubt, absolutely AI artists, because we're not tagging our stuff with AI. I think we're trying to slip under the radar and pass ourselves off as not AI music, and hopefully no one will notice, or we're a little bit worried that at some point it's going to be taken down. So that's obviously going to work in your favor if that happens. But in the meantime, if you want to be known as an AI artist and you want to sort of get help and be part of that community, it sort of makes it difficult. But with that aside, I'm going to go ahead and give my 5 for this week, which is going to be a segment I do every week. So first, we're going to start off with Nyrman. And Nyrman's videos and music is quite good. I can't say with certainty that it's AI music, even though I'm mostly sure, but the visuals are clearly AI and they're stunning. So go ahead and check that one out. Okay, and number 2, and mind you, this isn't any particular order. This is just the order that I listed. It's gonna be Beats by AI. I'm quite comfortable in assuming that this is AI music. Beats by AI brings some sort of funny and current contact. Not current, but some stuff that we can sort of relate to. Some of it is a little bit not safe for work, but check out Driveway. I thought it was kind of funny. It's a lighthearted thing we can identify with. Like I said, some of the stuff is explicit, and I'm finding that a lot of the stuff that identifies itself as AI is explicit or satire, but in the very adult sense. This has quite a bit of that, but not all of it is that, and I sort of had a bit of a laugh. So check that out. Okay, artist number 3. Now, AI songs, so this is the thing, is they're identifying themselves as that, and that's what they are. It's easy to come up in the search of that, but it's not sort of clearly identifying yourself as an artist. But AI songs is good. It's unfortunately on Spotify. I could not find it on YouTube. A lot of these artists, like I said, are not easy to find on YouTube for, I guess, for a lot of different reasons. But one thing you're not identifying as specifically for AI, but I mostly want to do these top 5 lists on YouTube, but this is one I discovered on Spotify. I liked it. It has sort of a cinematic quality that I like, sort of stuff that you'd hear in a movie soundtrack. There's not a whole lot of content, but I subscribe because I want to see where this artist is sort of going in the future. Check it out on Spotify if you want to dive into this sort of, I want to call it epic vibe. So check that out. All right, my 4th artist that I want you to check out. Now, this one I can only find available on Suno. And the reason I want to show you this one, and by the way, it's Renhal is the name of the artist. The reason I want to show you this one is I think this is the future of what us as AI artists need to do, is make a big profile on Suno. I'm not sure about Udio. I'll have to check that out as well. But if you check this out and we scroll through, Renhal is making some waves on the Suno platform. This is the cool thing about AI music too, is it's not particularly one genre. You can do what you want to do, but this is pretty smooth on the eye. And if you want to see how things are set up properly and you want to sort of mimic that and look very professional in that sort of way, check out Renhal's video on Suno. Okay, number 5. Now this is Homegrown Ijits, and Homegrown has actually posted a bit on my YouTube channel, which is sort of alerted to me the fact that Homegrown does this sort of stuff. And actually Homegrown's come up on a few of my searches as well, but it may be because I've been subscribed previously. Homegrown has some satirical stuff, and the reason I wanted to sort of highlight Homegrown Ijits today or this week is there's some recent content regarding the Florida hurricanes and things like that. I've got parents who've got a house in Florida, so that sort of stuck out to me, but check it out. Okay, we're gonna wrap this one up now. Thanks for tuning in for this week's AI 5 highlight. If you do AI music and you'd like to be featured and you'd like me to have a look post down below what you do, why you might want to be featured. I don't think it's very hard at this point because, like I said, it's difficult to find YouTube AI artists. I've spoken to a couple. There's a couple that I have lined up for next week that I actually really like. We'll go through that, but subscribe if you got the time. It really helps me out. I'm going to be able to buy some subscriptions and things for AI tools instead of just using the free versions when it comes to that. But remember, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and check out my charity, loveheart.org, and Loveheart Travel. So we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.